Hello, this is Catherine Chadwick, Project Manager with Ballen Brands, and today I'm going to show you where to update your contact information and email address in your IDX broker. This impacts your contact menu option on your brew, so it's important to know where to update this so that your contact page has the correct information if you switch addresses or email addresses. So you want to be logged into your IDX dashboard and go to Account Information, and then you want to scroll down here to where it has Account, and this is where you would put your name. So instead of your name, you may want your team name or your group name, and then your email address and your address go here, phone numbers and fax number. There's also an additional contact info space where you can put other relevant information and even HTML for a photo on your contact page or something like that if you would like. And then you just hit Save Changes and it will update on your contact form on your brew or your other website. Hope you found this information helpful. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful hints.